Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Chijiloke and I'm here to show you how to use CorelDRAW. Here we are going to talk about the tools. I might not show you all the tools, I might not talk about all the tools here, but I will talk about the important ones that you can use at any time. So if anyone that I don't talk about, you can learn it on your own, you can use it and see how it works. Okay, the first one we have here is the pick tool. By default, you have the pick tool selected. So the pick tool is what you use to move your objects around. For instance, let's say we have this, and this is the pick tool. By default, is selected, so you use it to move your object from one point to the other. So this is the pick tool. That is the work of it. After the pick tool, the second tool here is the shape tool. This shape tool, you use it to modify curves. You use it to modify objects, especially curves. Okay, let's say we have this. This is a rectangle, and we cannot use this shift tool to modify it. We can only use it to modify the edge. That's the radius. You can use it to modify this radius. That's the only thing that the pick tool will work on here. Not the pick tool, the shape tool. Now, for us to use the shape tool to modify this angle, first of all, we have to convert this object to curve. Now, how do we convert it to curve? We come to Objects and come down here. You see Convert to Curve. The shortcut key for that is Ctrl Q. So now the rectangle has been converted to curve. So now with the shape tool, we can modify this shape to whatever shape we want. So we can modify this what do we convert to curve and modify it and modify this. Okay, what am I drawing? Okay, so this is the work of this shape tool. So use it to modify your object to any shape after converting it to curve. So you can use it. You can see how it is reshaping this my object to something I don't even know. Okay, that is about the shape tool. We'll talk about it more as we go on. Then after the shape tool, we have the crop tool. The crop tool, from the name, crop is a familiar word. You can use it to crop our image. For instance, I want to crop this, then this is it, and here I have crop. Now it have cropped the object I have before. Now this is what I have after cropping. So that is our crop tool. Use it to crop an image, and after the crop, click and hold that tool. If you click and hold, you see that we have other tools attached to it. There's a small drop down arrow here showing you that there are other tools attached, not only crop tool. So once you click and hold, you see that the other tools will display. Now another tool we have there is the knife tool. So the knife tool, you use it to cut an object. Cut this way, and now this is what I have. So you see that I have cut the remaining part of the object that I cropped earlier. I have used the knife tool to cut it into two, and this is what I have. One is here and the other is here. Let me use a more visible example. I have this, and I'll fill it with green, and I want to cut it into two. I use the knife tool and cut it from here. Now this is the two objects that I cut. So then this is about the knife tool. Use it to cut your objects. Now the next one here, I have the virtual segment delete. You can use it to delete an object but into segments. So what I have here remaining is a line. So this is the virtual segment delete. Use it to delete an object, but not an entire object. Use it to delete part of an object, depending on how you want the object to be deleted. And the next one here, we have the eraser. Eraser, you can use it to erase an object. Notice how the eraser works. So erased the object that we have on the workspace. After the eraser tool, let's go back to the crop. You have the zoom. The zoom tool, you use it to zoom your object. For instance, I want to zoom this. So this is the zoom. I'll select this way and it will zoom according to what I selected. Or I can click, just left click, and it will zoom. It will zoom where you have clicked. If you want to select a particular area, you can select a particular area and zoom to zoom that particular area for you. And this is zooming, and you can use your scroll wheel like I'm using, and the right click is zoom out. Okay, after the zoom, here we have freehand tool, we have the 2-point line, we have the bezier tool, we have the pen, B-spline, polyline, and 3-point curve. In the next video, we'll start from the freehand tool and forge ahead. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it.